Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best skincare sets is probably one of the most effective ways to achieve healthy and radiant skin. These sets offer a curated collection of products designed to work synergistically, simplifying your skincare routine and often providing better results than individual products. Whether you're a skincare novice or a seasoned pro, the right set can transform your complexion, leaving you feeling confident and refreshed. Number 5. InstaNatural Vitamin C Skincare Set. Introducing the InstaNatural Vitamin C Skincare Set. This set includes everything you need for a complete skincare routine. It brightens, hydrates, and helps prevent signs of aging. First, cleanse your face with the Vitamin C Cleanser. It combines vitamin C, aloe vera, and coconut water. This helps remove dirt, oil, and makeup, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Next, use the Vitamin C Toner. It includes vitamin C, witch hazel, and aloe vera. This toner helps balance your skin's pH and minimizes the appearance of pores and wrinkles. Then, treat your skin with the Vitamin C Serum. It contains vitamin C, ferulic acid, hyaluronic acid, and sea buckthorn oil. This serum brightens discoloration and boosts collagen for softer skin. Finally, moisturize with the Vitamin C Moisturizer. It combines vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. This moisturizer helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and other signs of aging. This set is your key to refreshed and glowing skin. It's a powerful skincare routine that brightens, hydrates, and nourishes your skin. Try it today. What we like? This set is all about achieving that radiant glow. It features a complete 4-step routine designed to brighten and hydrate your skin. If you're looking for a comprehensive skincare solution that delivers visible results, you should consider this. What people say. My skin is smoother, brighter, tighter, and fresher looking. Cleans good, thickness is good and washes away makeup. I see a noticeable difference in my skin. It feels brighter, healthier, and more moisturized than it has in a long time. Number 4. ARTNATURALS Anti-Aging Serum Set. This gift set includes vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid serums. They work together to hydrate and smooth your skin, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This set is designed to give you a more youthful look. The vitamin C serum is part of this set. It helps to plump and soften your skin. Using this serum can help fight the signs of aging, leaving your skin looking refreshed. The retinol serum is a nighttime treatment. It fights against crow's feet and fine lines. It helps to tighten skin and reduce blemishes while battling the signs of aging. This serum deeply hydrates and moisturizes your skin. It diminishes fine lines and brightens your complexion, giving you a radiant glow. It's a key part of the set for a youthful appearance. All ingredients are vegan, sulfate-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and GMO-free. If you're not satisfied, you get a full refund. Try it today and see the difference. What we like? This set offers a powerful trio of serums to combat signs of aging. With vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid, it targets wrinkles and dark circles. If you are concerned about aging and want a simple yet effective routine, you should consider this. What people say. Really loving this product. Highly recommend. Isn't too heavy on the skin. I've been using it almost a month now and no issues. Sin una maravilla levo aproximadamente usandalos al redor de 8 meses y mi piel esta hermosa. No es reseca no deja grasosa. They have really brightened my skin so that it looks fresh and glowing, and at 47 years old, I still don't need to wear a foundation during the day, and feel confident with how radiant my skin looks. I've also had several compliments of how lovely my skin looks. Number 3. Gentle Anti-Aging Skin Care Kit. This comprehensive set includes cleanser, toner, serum, cream, eye cream, and a hydrating mask. It provides a complete daily skin care routine. The beautiful packaging makes it a great gift idea. The advanced sulfate-free formula is enriched with retinol and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients moisturize the skin and even out tone, promoting a youthful complexion. It's a unique gift for anyone. The facial skin care products are made with premium ingredients. They are carefully selected to deliver maximum results and are gentle for all skin types. Each product helps improve skin elasticity and overall texture. This skincare set deeply hydrates the skin, lifting and firming for a younger look. It provides a protective barrier to lock in moisture, improving dehydration and uneven skin tone. It is a great gift. This skincare set is perfect for daily use and is mild and non-irritating for most skin types. Whether you want to look better or address existing concerns, it provides a tailored solution. It's a practical and thoughtful present. What we like. This set provides a complete skincare routine with a focus on hydration and anti-aging. It includes retinol and hyaluronic acid for a youthful complexion. If you are looking for a gift for someone who wants a comprehensive skincare solution, you should consider this. What people say. The set focuses on hydration with ingredients like retinol and hyaluronic acid. My skin definitely felt more moisturized after use. My skin feels smoother, more hydrated, and has a fresh glow after just a couple of weeks. Fine lines are softening, and my complexion looks more even. This skincare kit has changed the appearance of my skin, providing hydration, softness, freshness. Keeping a skin free of dryness and irritation. They are based on hyaluronic acid that keeps my skin hydrated all day, while vitamin C has helped improve my skin tone by eliminating spots I had. Number 2. Spa Gifts for Women, Ultimate Pampering Kit. This spa kit is like a warm hug in a box. It's designed to provide the ultimate pampering experience. It includes everything you need for relaxation and self-care. Show your love with this thoughtful gift. It's perfect for any occasion, from birthdays to Valentine's Day. They will surely appreciate this self-care treat. This set includes 20 items for a complete self-care routine. It has face masks, eye patches, lip balm, and more. It also comes with a cute pouch. Let the masks in this kit rejuvenate your skin. The clay mask detoxifies, and the sheet masks hydrate. You'll love how it makes you feel. Enjoy a relaxing bath with the included products. The scented candle, soap, and bath bomb create a soothing atmosphere. It's the perfect way to unwind. What we like. This spa kit offers a luxurious self-care experience with a variety of items. It includes skincare, bath products, and other self-care essentials. If you like a relaxing and pampering experience, you should consider this. What people say. The set includes a cleanser, serum, and moisturizer, all of which work well together. The products are gentle on the skin and leave it feeling soft and hydrated. The serum has a nice texture and absorbs quickly. Number 1. Tree of Life Trio Power Kit. Introducing the Tree of Life Trio Power Kit. This set includes 3 powerful serums designed to transform your skin. It's a complete skincare solution for a radiant complexion. First, there's the Vitamin C Serum. This serum helps to brighten and even out your skin tone. It's perfect for achieving a healthy, glowing complexion. Next, the Retinol Serum works to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. This serum helps to promote a more youthful appearance. Use it consistently for the best results. Finally, the Hyaluronic Acid Serum provides deep hydration. This serum keeps your skin moisturized and plump. It's essential for a healthy skin barrier. These serums are packed with nourishing ingredients like aloe vera and jojoba oil. The formula is fast-absorbing and suitable for dry and sensitive skin. You can see noticeable results in weeks. This product is dermatologist-tested and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. It's a gentle yet effective way to care for your skin. What we like. This set features a powerful trio of serums to address multiple skin concerns. It includes vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid for brightening, firming, and hydration. If you are looking for a set that is suitable for dry and sensitive skin, you should consider this. What people say. My fine lines are definitely less noticeable and the places with hyperpigmentation have faded out quite a bit, not entirely, but dude, it's been literally like 6 days, so imagine what my skin will look like in a month. Also, my skin texture is absolutely smoother and the color is so much more even already. They've changed the bottles recently, but they're cute, compact, and easy to use and store. There's obvious improvement in my skin when I use this product: brightness, tightening, softening, moisturizing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.